I am back with my answer, and it's really going to be a little bit different than some people that know me will think. Of course, I think that she should not be paying for all these dates that they're going on. Especially, it's the first date. He should want to make a very good impression. And even if he didn't have the money, this is where people are going to be surprised. All he had to do was say that. Who minds spotting somebody, especially if you're going to be in a relationship with them, although it's just a start, but you don't mind helping somebody out or taking somebody out someplace every now and again if they are having a tough situation. So by saying I left the wallet at work, that really wasn't a good excuse. So again, honesty is the best policy in relationships. That's all he had to say. So don't be a hero for a zero, girl. You saw the signs. You should have walked away. And when he asked for that couple dollars from McDonald's, you should not have given it to him. I don't know if she did or not, because she did not say in her answer or in her question if she did. But yeah, at that point, I think I would have said, I'm sorry, I don't have it. All right, so I was excited to see all the comments that we got back and really entertained with your responses. It will be another Tequila Talk Tuesday next week right here on the Curvy Momager channel on YouTube. Make sure you follow me on Instagram and Twitter and my Facebook page, Living It Up with the Curvy Momager. I love talking to you guys, and have an absolute Merry Christmas. My little headpiece came because I just finished doing the 5K for the Toys for Tots and had a really good time. No, I didn't run the whole thing. I'm getting there though, peeps. Take care. Merry Christmas from my house to yours, and we'll see you next week getting ready for the new year.